Buonasera paisani, welcome to another episode of Big Mamas Gather live on Instagram. This is episode 55. Welcome everyone. I just want to start off by thanking everyone. Each and every one of you who overflowed with your happy anniversary wishes. It was so overwhelming to see all your response. I put up a little montage of our pictures together, and yes, I've been with Nino for 20 years. We met February 17, 2001, and we got married July 17, 2010. So that's 11 years of marriage, 20 years together, and I just want to thank you all for your comments, for your best wishes. It was a beautiful, beautiful evening. It was a surprise. Apparently, he had been planning it for a month. So, wow, he surprised me. He planned a beautiful dinner with my kumbare, with my kumare, and my partner in business, as well as friend. So it was very, very touching, very emotional, but it was a happy emotion. And he also surprised me, as you all saw, with a beautiful big bouquet of flowers. So I'm very touched by his romance because he doesn't really show it often. So it was nice to get pampered, and we had a very beautiful evening. It's been very hectic, and I wanted to put this out there. I wanted to ask you, my public, my viewers, my followers. I haven't been doing the Sicilian word of the day. First of all, I'm not doing it every day. Second of all, I haven't been doing it for a while at all. So I'm going to just throw it out there. If you guys want me to continue, please send me a message, send me a DM. Let me know what you think. If you want me to continue posting Sicilian words for you to learn. Some of them might make you laugh. Some of them might make you go back in time and remember when you first heard it. There's words that you may know and words that you may not know, but I'm just putting it out there. Do you want me to continue doing the Sicilian word or not? I was debating whether or not I should continue. As you know, I have been extremely busy with weddings, busy with the business, and busy with myself. I don't have time for myself, but it's all a positive aspect. It keeps me distracted. It keeps me busy. So there you go. That's the question for all of you out there. I'm waiting. Hi, homemade by Kathy. Hi, Kathy. Yes, continue. Jack says yes. Okay, so we have two yeses. So I guess I'll be doing it. I don't know. Well, two people. Guys, keep telling me if you want me to do the Sicilian word, and I will. I'll find the time. I'll probably do a couple in one shot, and then post them slowly once a week or once every couple of days. So Lisa Marie says yes. Christina says yes. Everybody says yes. Okay, so I guess it's a yes. So I'll be doing one. I'll probably go. I'll probably be doing one tomorrow. So by this week, you'll be hearing another Sicilian word. Tonight I have a special guest, a returning guest. His name is Joe Triassi. And who is Joe Triassi? He is the founder and the main man at Uncle Joey's Catering. Sicilian Comedy says, oh, Bedruzza, come stai? Sto bene. Sweet Spirit says yes. Okay, I got it, guys. I'm going to do the Sicilian word. So as I was saying, Joe Triassi, he makes the most delicious bomboloni. He makes the brioche, which I have at my ice cream shop that I stuff with gelato for you. But he also makes a lot of other things. He caters food. He caters parties. He caters get-togethers. And he'll cook for you. And his food is authentic. It's Sicilian. And he's very, very good at what he does. So tonight, I want to invite him over on my live so that we can speak more, because he's got something new. So let's see if I can find him. Non è che Pepe. Pedro, non è Pepe. Here he is. Let's invite catering, Mr. Joe Triassi. No relation to my husband. He's a Triassi, but no. Hey, Pepe, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Leah?
I'm good. Thank you for coming on again. So
My
as
pleasure.
I started speaking, you had come to visit me, and you told me you had something new and exciting coming along. So I said, you know what? Let's do it on the show so that everyone can hear about it. So go ahead. The platform is yours.
So, well, we're still doing the bombolonis. I've come out with multiple new flavors. We've come out with lemon meringue. We have PB&J. We have straight peanut butter. I have Kinder Surprise. I have like a bunch of new flavors. Obviously, flavors are not always available. I'll vary between 4 and 5 flavors a week, or it'll really keep me really on my toes because there's lots to do. Um, like, I want people to know that parties are now starting, gatherings are starting again. So if they need anything at all, even if it's something we don't offer, we we'd like to know so we can try making it for you guys.
Okay, you also do cannolis and cartocci and all
We
that.
do our own cannoli shells, cartocci, ciarduna, uh, milfei. Milfei is actually a new product as well. It was added recently. Uh, Everything is handmade. Everything is homemade. All fresh ingredients. There's no everything is done from scratch.
Okay, and now you also cater. I want to go a bit into catering because last time we spoke a lot about the bombolonis and the sweets, but I want you to discuss a bit the catering side. Let's say we have a house reunion or a backyard party. They don't want a barbecue. They want some kind of food. What do you offer that you have always on your menu?
Well, first of all, if you have a party in your backyard or in your home, I also offer the service chef at home,
Oh,
which I'll come into your home and I'll use your kitchen to cook. I'll bring all the cutlery, I'll bring all the plates, glasses, settings as requested by the customer.
you wash them
Obviously,
too? Do you wash them too?
wow,
You
there's a
have
bit of a
piñata.
there's an extra price for watching as well.
Okay, go on. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
We do chef at home as well. So if that interests anybody, feel free to message me or call me. Ask me whatever questions. If you guys have any questions, I'll give you whatever answers you guys need. Also for catering parties, yes, we do barbecues, we do lasagnas, we do tripa, we do bignolatis, we do even I'll go as far as pasta fagioli, even like whatever
Anything under the sun.
anything under the sun. If it's out there, I can make it.
Fantastic. So, guys, if you're listening and you're watching this, call Joe, Uncle Joey's Catering. It's all one word on Instagram. Are you on Facebook? You're on Facebook as
I'm
well?
on Facebook as well. Yes.
So, Uncle Joey's Catering, it's all one word. It's very easy to find. And once you're on his page, you know you're on the right page because you're going to see pictures of what he offers. Give him a call, give him a follow. And of course, this is all to encourage small business, small local business, especially with the year we've had. We need the encouragement. I mean, I'm just a new small business, and I know what it means to be supported. It's so touching and it's so heartwarming when you see people coming to you for services. So what else you want to mention, Joe?
Also, I wanted to take a second and congratulate you on your anniversary as well.
Thank
If I
you.
if
Thank
I
you.
forgot to do so, I apologize.
No problem.
It's been
Thank
a little
you.
bit crazy. And yeah, so like I said, we offer a variety of different things: foods, pastries, salads, quinoa salads, pasta salads, couscous salads, anything under the sun. So really, if you guys have any questions, anything at all, please don't hesitate to message me, call me. I'm available literally 24 hours a day. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys.
Perfect. And if someone has a restricted diet, such as, I don't know, they're allergic to fish or they
Well,
can't have
restricted
pork.
diets. I also offer, if it's asked, I can also offer gluten-free or vegan options or vegetarian options.
Wow.
So there is options for everybody out there. I'm actually coming out with I'm trying right now to come out with a vegetarian or vegan donut of some
Wow.
sort, vegan
Nice.
bomboloni. So the people who don't eat, who are vegan, who are vegetarian, can actually enjoy them too.
Fantastic. Wow. Great job, Joe. I wish you continued success. I mean, I call you all the time. I'm still waiting for those cannoli shells because I got to stuff them with ice cream.
Well, I'll make you those giant cannoli shells and we can stuff them with ice cream, no problem.
Perfect. Thank you so much for coming on. I really appreciate you taking the time and informing my viewers and informing everyone that's watching. And I encourage everyone, of course, to follow you, to contact you. If they have an event, you're the man to call. You're going to do the A to Z. So it's a one-stop shop. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, Leah.
Thank you. Ciao, ciao.
Bye bye.
So there you have it, Uncle Joey's Catering. He cooks well. He bakes well, and he's a wonderful, wonderful person. I had the chance and the opportunity to sit and chat with him. He's very down to earth, and he'll do anything that he can possibly do to make your event, your meal, a wonderful turnout and a delicious experience. So I want to encourage everyone to give him a follow, Uncle Joey's Catering, right here on Instagram as well as on Facebook. And if you're thinking of doing a small get together, a small gathering, a yard party, he'll even come and cook at your house. And maybe for a little extra, he'll even wash the dishes, as I was saying earlier. But it's all to encourage small local businesses. Uh, Everyone felt it, especially the restaurant industry. So why not help someone locally and encourage them by calling them for all your events? So that's why I brought him on, so that everyone is made aware of the services as well as his products. And I mean, he's very flexible. He's very accommodating to anyone's requirements or needs. So this is all to support each other. And I always said it. Yes, I opened up my own business, but I will not stop supporting local, whether it's catering, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's anything. I will continue to support, because that's just who I am. And I believe that if we work together, we'll just make everything a lot better. So on another note, tonight it's going to be a little bit short. On another note, Louis Romano. This name might not be familiar to many of you, but Louis Romano is a writer, and he's written many books about Sicilian roots, mobster books. He's written quite a few books, and he was nice enough to send me one of his books called I Carusi. It's called Carusi, The Shame of Sicily. Now, this book takes place in the end of the 18th century, and it's about a boy who had a very difficult life. I'm not going to give it away, but those who know me know that I don't read. I am not a reader. I mean, even in high school, I used to read the back of the book, read the first chapter, the middle chapter, the end chapter, and do a book report. So I'm not a reader. But this book, I am so happy that he sent me this book. I read it in 2 days, and there's 59 chapters. I read the whole book in 2 days, and let me tell you, his writing is amazing, because you're actually visualizing what you're reading. It's like you're there. It's like you're watching as it's happening. So I wanna just recommend the book as a non-reader. This is a fantastic book if you want to read about Sicily's history when they used to work in the mines, and the sulfur mines. It wasn't easy, and a lot of them left because of that, the poverty, the disease that was happening, the deaths. So Louis Romano, if all goes well, I will have him as a guest here, live on Instagram next week, to discuss this book as well as his other ones, and he's in the process of writing another book. So you guys, I will give you all the information next week when he's on. Manu, what is the name of the book? It's called Carusi, The Shame of Sicily. It's an amazing book. If you just go follow Louis Romano, Louis, his last name is Romano, Romano. You'll find him on Instagram. You'll find him on Facebook. You can order the book. I'm sure he'll be delighted to send it to you. And let me tell you, it will be a great, great read. So I recommend it highly, being a non-reader. I see all kinds of messages, so I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. Ciao a tutti le Catuluchisi. Hi, Three Aces. Jack says, that's why I'm the best. Thank you, Jack. Happy anniversary. Thank you, Three Aces. What else? Hi, Melissa. I'm doing well. Thank you. Melissa's all the way in Australia, and right now Australia is not doing good. So my prayers go to Australia, because they're going through a fourth wave, another lockdown. Franco Cooking. Hi there. Manu. Hi, Manu. Manu Cauchi, a very loyal watcher. Pitbull. Hi, brother. Hello, paisano. Pitbull 424_cigars shares all my posts, and I really enjoy it. I like to see that people are enjoying my posts so much that they, they have the urge or the willpower to share them, because it affects everyone, and it's just wonderful to see that I have an impact, a positive impact on people's lives and ways of thinking. Franco Cookie says I'm the best. Well, I'm not the best, but I'm up there, I guess. Don't throw me too much flowers. I don't take compliments very well. Ciao, Bella. Hi, Nikki Rocks. Nikki Rocks wants to come on. Okay, let's see, Nikki Rocks. I don't know if this is a mistake, but we'll have her on. Let's see. I don't see anything. We are in lockdown with harsh restrictions and lockdown. Oh, Melissa, I'm so sorry to hear that. Hi,
Ciao,
Nicole. How are you?
signora.
Hello, hello.
Come
How are
sta?
things there?
Things are good. The only problem we have is the unvaccinated ladies and gentlemen who do not want to get vaccinated. They're in their own pandemic of the pandemic now.
Okay.
It's not so much the vaccinated people.
Okay.
There might be a United States mandate for every man, woman, and child to be vaccinated.
Wow. Okay. I think we're getting to that too here in Quebec, because they're asking for both vaccines to go into a temple. They're asking for both vaccines for 18-year-olds to go back to college.
Same here.
We're getting there. We're getting there. I mean, look, my daughter, my oldest, she's going to be 18 next week. She got her first vaccine, and she's going to have her second by the end of August. So we're heading down that road.
Us too. In the state of New Jersey, Governor Murphy has mandated now every single man, woman, and child unvaccinated. He got a government grant from Biden that he can have people come knock on your door legally and knock on your door and ask to produce your COVID card, or if you're vaccinated. And if you're not vaccinated, they will vaccinate you.
Wow.
And if you refuse to get vaccinated, you'll be arrested.
Oh my. Okay. Well, it's becoming that drastic. Okay.
It's becoming that drastic in Jersey because we want to keep everything open, and there's those people that don't want to get vaccinated, and that's not fair to the rest of everybody else who got vaccinated. I really wish people would stop being so selfish and thinking about themselves. Think about other people around you. You could give it to somebody's grandmother, or you could give it to somebody who's autoimmune compromised. I mean, stop being selfish and just get the vaccine and do what you need to do. Do your part. I mean, be part of the solution, not part of the problem. Like, it's getting dire here in the United States where it's going to become mandated.
Wow.
And we're not allowing in anybody from London. We're not allowing anybody in from India. We're not allowed anybody in from Japan. The only people that are allowed to come in from Japan are our athletes. That's it.
Okay. Wow. Well, thank you so much for the info. I really appreciate the update.
And I just wanted to wish you a happy anniversary, Bella.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and stay safe. Be well.
All right, you too. Ciao, Bella.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Wow, so it's going to become mandated. Pitbull says, I'm in New York. I got vaccinated already. That's very good. I see all kinds of comments. Jack says, they want everyone to be vaccinated at least twice at the end of August, because after it starts to get cold in September, that's when it's going to start again, the lockdown. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. I am afraid of another lockdown. I'm afraid of another outbreak. They're talking about a fourth wave with the variant. It's really scary. I mean, we're trying to enjoy the summer because the numbers are low and the cases are low. But, I feel a tornado coming, and it's really scary. And unfortunately, we're heading down the path of, 100% vaccination. Nikki says, no lockdowns. They don't solve anything. Well, Nicole, Melissa was saying that in Australia, everything is locked down. The airports, the borders, I mean, they've gone to total shutdown. So, I don't know. I guess it's to the government's discretion. But on that note, I just want to invite everyone that's listening, everyone that's going to see this video, because I will be reposting it on Instagram, not on Instagram, but on YouTube, as well as on Facebook, to pray for Australia, pray that the numbers go down, pray that, not many lives or any lives are lost. Melissa wants to come on, so let's bring Melissa on. She's all the way in Australia, and let's see what she has to say about Australia's situation. It's so sad. Hello, hi
Hello.
Melissa.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I want to first start with congratulations on your 1 year with your boyfriend.
Thank you, and congratulations to you on your 20 years with your husband.
Thank you, thank you. So tell us a little bit about what's going on in Australia. My heart's breaking for you guys.
So originally it was Victoria that went into lockdown about a week ago with the new strain of Delta that came from overseas, of course. Sydney and Melbourne both went into lockdown, with Sydney recording like over 99 new cases daily.
Wow.
So we got it in Adelaide. We got it from an infected man who came from Argentina. No, I think it was Argentina or Brazil or something like that. He got
Okay.
his first vaccination over there, came to Sydney, spent about 10 days in hospital, then came to Adelaide, who also infected his son and daughter, and they went to numerous locations across Adelaide without isolation. It has now spread across Adelaide. We are in a 7-day lockdown. We're not allowed to leave the house for 5 reasons only. If you're a frontline worker, if you are going grocery shopping, if you are needing to leave to go to a doctor's appointment or get vaccinated, if it's for a compassionate reason, if you're going to see a loved one who is like in hospital or a nursing home or something like that, or there was one more, but I can't remember it. But yeah, there are 5 reasons you can only leave house.
Wow.
We
Yeah,
are in this until next week on Monday, Tuesday. If we don't recover, we're in for another 7 days.
Oh dear, it reminds me of what happened here in Quebec. It's crazy.
So we are really not allowed to leave the house for no reason. You have to have for our testing, which now they've had to call in the army. Some people are waiting over 10 to 12 hours just to get a test done.
Oh my God.
In line. I mean, it's backed up like 3-4 blocks of streets,
Wow.
and it is people waiting over 24 hours to just get a test if they are testing positive or not. Not even everyone has got the vaccine here in Australia. So it is a matter of people who are trying to get the test done.
But you right now it's your winter, because here it's our summer, but you're the opposite.
Yeah, we're in winter.
Right now it's winter time.
It is raining right now in Australia, so it is. We are in the middle of our winter.
Yeah.
So
maybe that's why the cases went up again. The 4th wave that they're talking about that's going to come here. I mean,
we don't know why. It just started as a spike, and it's just spread. 3 out of our whole country states are in lockdown. So Sydney, New South Wales, Victoria, and Australia are South Australia in lockdown. Tasmania, Queensland, Northern Territory, and Western Australia are still open, but they're not in lockdown.
So bad. Okay. Well, listen, keep a bit of hope. Don't think of the worst. You got through the first year. I'm sure you're gonna get through this. Just stay safe, and if you haven't gotten vaccinated and you believe that you should go down that road, well, please do. I don't discourage anyone from taking the vaccine. I think it's becoming more and more a positive aspect rather than a negative. But I mean, my heart's with you guys. You're in my prayers, and I just hope that it'll be short-lived.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow. So Australia's going through a bit of a strain. Let's hope that it's short-lived. Like I said, they're on a 7-day lockdown. So let's hope that they can survive this other hurdle. Guys, if you want to get vaccinated, if you haven't gotten vaccinated, Please do. It's for everyone's safety. We're all heading down that path. And look, at the U.S., they're starting to impose it. So rather than it being imposed, just go out of your own will and go get the vaccine. But again, to each their own. I'm not gonna oppose or before. I want to stay neutral as much as I can. But I think it's going to be the end of the road for all of us if we're not vaccinated. We're heading down that road. So on that note, guys, I will see you all next week for another episode of Big Mamas Gather. I'll be talking about this wonderful book that was sent to me by Louis Romano. Go check him out. The book's name is called Carusi, The Shame of Sicily. It'll bring you into a different, state of mind in the late 18th century when poverty and famine and slavery was the deal of the day. So I'll be talking about the book in depth with him next week, hopefully, if he can make it. And on that note, have yourselves a beautiful rest of the week, a wonderful weekend. And of course, if you're ever in the neighborhood, in the St. Michel neighborhood, come visit me at Cremerie Memorab, 3171 Fleury East. I'm here all day, every day. So take it easy. And of course, stay tuned for more Sicilian words coming up by the end of the week. On that note, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu, everybody.